Hi everyone, it's Miss Grosowski. I just wanted to make a quick video. I know we've been having lots of Schoology problems. This morning, Schoology was not working for me at all, and it was telling me I cannot log in. It was telling me I have no courses. I was very worried, but then I asked all my other teacher friends, and they said, yeah, Schoology isn't working. So I went outside for a little walk and I walked to the grocery store, got some bananas, got some food. I came back and then it was working. So if Schoology doesn't work for you, I'd say just try again in like 15 or 20 minutes and maybe it will work. Schoology's trying to get all the problems solved so that we don't continue to have these problems. So probably next week or in 2 weeks, everything will be figured out. In the meantime, I know we're having problems, so just don't worry. Try your best. I wanted to show you some examples of really awesome work that I got. So far we've had 3 days of learning, so we've had 3 assignments. The first assignment was to watch the screencast of like video where I was like describing stuff about Indian culture with all those pictures. And then it was a Google form where you filled out something you saw in a picture and then a question you have about India. That was awesome. I had 22 students finish that, so that's great. That's about 2/3 of the students. So I was very happy. Yesterday, the work was to do a political map. I want to show you an example of a really good map that I got. Oh my goodness, I just about cried when I got this. So this student was like, hey, I have some extra time. So the student put the name of the countries, a little flag, a name of the country flag, and then I love how the student put different colors for where the different cities are, and it's just so nice. And they even put in some of the oceans and then also drew a flag. Oh, this is so great. So thank you to the student who did this. This is your inspiration. So if you need to still do the work from Tuesday, this is your inspiration right here. I had another student, a different student, did really good on today's work. Today's work was the physical map. And so this student was using colors and they put in correctly all of the different parts of the map. I like how they did the mountains, and the rivers were all like this pink color. The mountains were like red and purple, and then the desert, and then the plateau. I'll show you down here. They correctly did the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean. And so this was another really nice example. So I'm going to print out those two and put it on my refrigerator because I'm a very proud teacher that my students are doing such good work. Hey, if you still need to do the work, you should do it. And I'll show you the things that will help you. One of the things that helps you, where did I put it? I hit it. I hit it real good. Oh, okay. One thing that helps you for today's work is called this Physical Map of India PDF. And this is the slides where it goes through the mountains and the deserts and the plateau and the rivers. So I emailed that to all of you, plus it's in Schoology. And then the one that helps you from yesterday's work is about these bordering countries and then the cities. This is in Schoology. If you want me to email you a copy, I can. So that's it for now. Tomorrow our work is not a map. Tomorrow our work is listening to me read a text about India, and you're going to fill in the missing words. So that will be a new adventure for us. Okay, be well. I hope you have fun. And if something doesn't work, just leave it alone for a little bit and try again, and maybe it will work that time. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.